What in the world is going on with the latest AMD drivers? Now these are a little bit insane, and honestly I've experienced it as well right now. So earlier I had my graphics card crash on me, like in Windows the drivers crash, then the drivers didn't seem to be opening up at all. I have the RX 9070 XT, I'm on Windows 10, and I haven't experienced anything like this before. It was really bizarre because I was just editing on my computer, just using it like normal, and then it kind of just shut one of the screens off. Then the next one was okay, but the resolution had gone down to 800 by 600, so I knew something's not right. I went into Task Manager to check if my GPU was there, and nope, it was not. The RX 9070 XT was not showing up. I just had my normal integrated graphics there, which obviously is still there. I'm still getting an output to the monitor, so I decided to restart and see what happens. Restarted the computer, and lo and behold, come back in, same issue. Only one monitor is working, I'm not getting the second monitor to work, and we still have the resolution issue. So right click the desktop and go into the AMD Adrenalin software and check out what's going on there. I open it up and it says you need to download a new version that's compatible. At this point I'm pretty dumbfounded because why is it saying that I had the correct drivers installed in the first place? It just so happens that there are some new AMD drivers, and because I'm on Windows 10 it's causing issues. Now I don't think I'm the only person that's having this issue because I searched it up and there's a full Reddit thread on it. So how do you fix it? It's on the Reddit thread as well if you guys want to have a look there, but what you want to do is you want to go ahead and download the AMD driver cleanup installer, or uninstaller. So download that, download display driver uninstaller, so DDU as normal, and what you want to do is boot into safe mode. If you guys don't know how to do that, press shift on the keyboard and then click restart at the same time, and then you'll be able to go through the process of going into safe mode. If you don't know how to use DDU properly, I have a tutorial on that as well, but you want to uninstall the drivers. So first off, use the AMD cleanup utility, so that's what I use first, and then I use DDU to uninstall everything, and then I hop back into Windows, and this is the part that you need to pay attention to. So I installed driver 26.6.1, and the one that's causing the issues I believe is 26.6.2. So that one with the 0.2 on the end has some problems, I believe, on Windows 10, and of course you can download previous versions of the AMD driver if even this one doesn't work. But yeah, once I got back into Windows, I installed 26.6.1 again, and it seems to have no issues. And at the end of the driver installer, you want to untick the one for like automatically get AMD updates or something along the lines of that, and you'll be good to go. But yes, I'm not the only person having issues on Windows 10 with the AMD drivers that just came out, so I don't know what's happening. I don't even think it should have updated. That was just a complete crash. I haven't seen that before. But yeah, it seems to be a little bit of an issue on Windows 10 at the moment. Let me know if you guys are experiencing it in the comments below. I just wanted to put this out as a quick PSA because it kind of shocked me, because I was like, yeah, this is not normal. You know, usually your PC doesn't just randomly remove drivers or, you know, have issues with them. So yeah, nice one AMD. Bit unlucky for people on Windows 10. It seems like Windows 11 it's all good, and if you're on like the older 7000 series, you're getting FSR 4 or some new features that have come out now. So yeah, congrats to you guys, which is great to see. But that about sums up the video. Check out keysfan.com for some cheaper Windows keys, but other than that, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.